welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this mesh hat suitable for spring. I show. I use 3.5 millimeters hook, 3.5 millimeters cotton yarn. Make a slip knot in here. I make slip knot like this. Tie yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook into this slip knot and chaining. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. We make 4 chains. Insert your hook into first chain. Now we have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make a ring. Stitch first strand in this ring. Hide this yarn under a stitch. Make 1, 2, 3 chains in here. Add 1 more chain. Yarn over, go to this ring. Insert your hook into this ring. Pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook. Pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Make double crochet. Add 1 chain, yarn over, go to this ring. Pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook. Pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Make double crochet. Add 1 chain, yarn over, go to this ring. Pull up yarn, pull through. 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and repeat for first row. 1 double crochet, 1 chain. We make 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, make a chain, 6, make a chain, 7, make a chain. I show. We make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochet stitches. We have chains between stitches. With first chains in total, we have, I show, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches. After last chain, go to these chains. 1, 2, 3. Go to third chain. Skip 1 chain in here. Go to this chain. Insert your hook. Yarn over. Pull up yarn. Slip a stitch. I show. In first stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, add 1 more chain. In first stitch, go to same stitch in this hole. Yarn over, go to same stitch. Insert your hook into this hole, pull up yarn. Pull through, make 1 double crochet. We make V stitch in top of first chains. Add 1 chain, yarn over, go to between these yarns in here. In double crochet stitch, we take these loops, unhook. In here, insert your hook into a stitch between these yarns. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, make double crochet, add 1 chain, go to same stitch. In second row, make 1 2 double crochet in this stitch. Add 1 chain, go to next stitch between these yarns. Insert your hook into this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, add 1 chain, repeat, yarn over, go to between these yarns, 1 chain, go to same stitch, make V stitches in every stitch, add 1 chain, repeat. Complete this row. I make this row. I show in last stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, add 1 chain. In here, go to 1 2 3, skip 1 stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch. In second row, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 stitches in total. Make 1 2 3 chains, go to third row, add 1 more chain, yarn over, go to same stitch in top of first chains in here. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, make double crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to this next stitch, insert your hook into next stitch, make 1 double crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet in here, add 1 chain, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to next stitch, make 1 2, add 1 chain, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain. I show in here. We make 2 double crochet in first stitch, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 2 1 2 1 in here, 2 1 2 1, and repeat like this for this round. Don't forget make a chain between these stitches. I made this row 2 1 2 1. Continue. I show in last stitch, make 1 double crochet in here, add 1 chain, go to third chain, insert your hook, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, add 1 more chain, go to top of first chains, double crochet. In first stitch we have 2 stitches, add 1 chain, go to next stitch in here, insert your hook, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, yarn over, go to next stitch. Show 1 double crochet, 1 chain. We make 2 double crochet. After 2 stitches, go to next stitch in here. 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to next stitch in here, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in next stitch 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, make V stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. For this round continue like this, make a V stitch, 1 2 double crochet, make a V stitch, 2 double crochet. I show we have 2 stitches in here, 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1, and repeat like this for this round. I made this stitch, I show into last stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 times between the stitches. Go to third chain, slip stitch, repeat for first stitch same as this rows, 1 2 3, make a chain, go to same chain, make double crochet, add 1 chain in here. We should make 1 2 3 times double crochet stitch, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in next stitch 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in next stitch 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in here make 2 double crochet, add 1 chain, repeat 3 times, 1 2 3, we have 1 2 3 1 2 3 between these stitches, and repeat like this for this round. I made until here. We have 1 2 3 stitches between the stitches. 1 2 3 go to third chain, slip stitch, 3 chains, add one more chain, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet in here, add 1 chain in here, repeat, go to this stitch, go to this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 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 1 2 3 4 times, go to next stitch, 1 2 double crochet in this stitch, and repeat, add 1 chain, 1 2 3 4 times, repeat. We make 1 2 3 4 stitches between these stitches for this round. I made this round. We have 1 2 3 4 between these V stitches, repeat, slip stitch, 3 chains, add 1 more chain, make a double crochet in here, add 1 chain, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 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 go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. We have V stitch in first stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 stitches between these stitches, and repeat, 1 2 3 4 5, go to here, make 2 stitches in this stitch, and repeat for this round. I made this row, go to third chain, slip stitch I show in here. In last row we have 56 stitches in total, 56 stitches. I show in first row we have 8 stitches, in second row 16 stitches, in third row 24 stitches in fourth row, 32 stitches in row 5, 40 stitches in row 6, 48 stitches in last 7th row, 56 stitches in total. After these rows I show in here, I have 15 centimeters. I show around this work 50 centimeters in here. In row 8 continue like this. In here continue like this. In row 8 make 1 2 3 chains, same as before rows. Add 1 more chain, yarn over. In here go to next stitch, insert your hook into next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in 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 here 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in V stitch, continue like this, go to this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, continue without increase in V stitches, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 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 in V stitch. I show in this stitch, go to top of first stitch, in this V stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and repeat like this for this row. I shall continue like this for this row. I made this round. I show in last stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to 1 2 3, in third stitch skip 1 chain in here, in total we made 56 stitches in here. Make 1 2 3 chains, add 1 more chain, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, one double crochet, one chain, and repeat like this without increase and decrease. One double crochet, one chain in each stitch. One double crochet, one chain. Repeat like this for this round. I made this row. I show in last stitch. One double crochet, one chain, go to third chain, a slip stitch in here. After this rows, continue like this. Last row, make one double crochet, one chain in every stitch without increase and decrease. 1 2 3 chains, add one more chain, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain, and make more rows. I make 1 2 3 rows in here like this. One double crochet, one chain in each stitch. 1 2 3 rows until here. Until here I make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Make more rows like this. I made these rows until here. I show in last stitch. Make a chain, go to this stitch, make double crochet, add one chain, go to third chain, a slip stitch. I make after this row, make one double crochet in each stitch in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Aşağı until here we increase 2 stitches. After this row, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 rows. With these rows in total we have 19. 7 until here, 12 until here, 19 rows in total. In here continue for last row like this. Make a chain, go to the sole in this, in top of these chains in this space, pull up yarn. We have 2 yarns on hook, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to top of this stitch, make a single crochet, go to this stitch, make single crochet in here, single crochet in this stitch, single crochet in here, single crochet. I show we make 1 single crochet in each stitch for last row. Repeat. Make a single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and repeat. I make single crochet in last stitch. I show in this stitch, go to top of this double crochet, make single crochet in here, single crochet in top of this double crochet, make a single crochet in here, make 1 single crochet, go to first stitch, insert your hook under this yarns, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Hide this yarn under stitch. I show this is suitable for adults. You can use this hat for every size. We have 18 centimeters in here. $56 centimeters. I show weight of this hat. We have 33 grams in here.